Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can easily deploy an Angular application on COOLIFY. First of all, we need an application that we want to deploy. I am shortly going to create an Angular application so we can test it out. Now that we have our application, we need a way to deploy it to COOLIFY. For that purpose, I am going to create a new repository on GitHub. Now that I have pushed my code to a Git repository, we can head over to my COOLIFY server. For using GitHub with COOLIFY, it is crucial that you have linked your GitHub to COOLIFY beforehand. Now that we are at the selection screen, you will notice that we don't have the option Angular. For easily deploying our Angular app, we are going to choose static. Now we fill out the configuration for deploying our Angular app to COOLIFY. First of all, choose a title that makes sense for you. Then change the URL to whatever domain you want to deploy your application to. Since COOLIFY has its own reverse proxy and it handles SSL certificates for you, you can also enable generate SSL if you want. Now we get to the more interesting part. For exposed port, you can choose any port you want that isn't in use yet. For the install, run and build commands, put npm install, npm run build, and npm run start. If you want to use yarn, that's fine as well. For figuring out what path you have to put into the publish directory field, you can run npm run build locally and copy the relative path of the build files. As soon as you have filled in all the information, click Save and deploy the application. Depending on your server, this may take a while. As you can see, it worked. If you have any questions or trouble with setting up your Angular application, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.